What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight from a Kia Soul. We're going to be looking at how to take the whole taillight assembly out, as well as how to replace the individual bulbs. So this is a 2010 Soul here, but it will be the same on several different years. The only tool we're going to need to do this is a Phillips head screwdriver. And with that Phillips head screwdriver, there's 3 screws that we need to remove. So as you can see here, the back hatch is already open. And if we take a closer look, we need to remove these 3 screws. One here, and one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 3, and I'll check back in the next shot. Okay, so we removed our 3 screws from here, here, and here. And now we're gonna pull the whole assembly off. So once those screws are out, you can actually just grab a hold of it and just pull it basically straight off. Now to unhook it, if we want to unhook the whole assembly, we'll have to come down and we're going to need to unhook this connector. Yours may be connected like that, but this one's hanging. And how we're going to do that is just press this button and then it'll pull apart like that. Now to change any of these individual bulbs, you just turn, any of these are going to be the same. We'll turn them a quarter turn and then they'll pull out like that. Okay? So after you have whatever bulbs you need to changed, we'll reinstall them, put them in, quarter turn to the right, and they're locked in. To reinstall our assembly, we'll just reverse everything we just did. Attach this connector. And then there's a few guides here, here, and here that we'll need to line up on the vehicle. You can see them here, here, and here. So once I push this on there, you're not really gonna be able to see those line up, but I just wanted to point out where they were. So line those 3 guides up. And then once you do, they'll push on, and just kind of, if you look at this line right here, that'll tell you that you have everything, lined up the way it needs to be. So once that's on there, go ahead and throw your 3 screws back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.